Hey loves, let's make Ghanaian rock buns. A popular street snack with a crunchy exterior and a very soft and fluffy inside. They are usually sold on the streets of Accra by fan milk bicycle vendors, and trust me when I say fan milk ice cream and rock buns is a perfect match made in heaven. So anyways, without talking much, let's get started. So into my mixing bowl, I'll be going in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we are going to mix till everything is well combined and evenly mixed. So for our next step, I'll be going in with 3 tablespoons of margarine, and then you're going to work that gently into the flour till you achieve a crumbly texture or a sand-like texture, just like this. To that, I'll add 2 eggs and give that a good mix. I forgot to break the eggs on the side and whisk. That's how come I'm doing this. But if you're making yours, break your eggs and then whisk on the side, together with your vanilla essence or flavor of choice. My final outcome was still great, so nothing spoiled. To that, I'll be adding 1/2 cup of water in bits. So I'm going to gently work that or incorporate that into the flour mixture. You don't want to knead it, you just want to gently incorporate it. So at this stage, I decided to use my hands to mix it well. Also, don't apply too much pressure when you are doing this. I added a teaspoon of vanilla essence and worked that into my batter. So for our next step, I'll be lining my baking tray with a parchment paper, and then I'm going to scoop the batter with the help of a spoon. Next, I'll be bracing the surface with some egg wash. And then I'll transfer this into my preheated oven. I'll bake this at 180 degrees for 25 or 30 minutes, depending on your oven. And this is what we have. Absolutely delicious, perfect texture, rough on the outside and crunchy on the outside, yet very fluffy and moist on the inside. And what better way to enjoy my rock buns than with fan ice. So we've officially come to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, if you found it useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes from me. Thanks for watching and bye.